So, yo, listen, we're here at InvestFest, and I'm here with one of my guys. He's been studying consumer law. Like, he's a beast. Y'all don't even know what's about to happen. My man got the debt validation workbook. His game is going to go to a whole new level. Bro, for the people that don't know who you are, tell the people who you are and what's about to happen.
It's your boy Curtis Sean 2X, man. With the debt, when I was studying the consumer law, it's been a whole different ballgame. It's not like credit repair. When you study consumer law, you understand every definition with credit, and when you come to credit report, you need to learn it. It's a very important key with the consumer laws. It is a powerful tool to use. I want everybody to learn the consumer laws as well, man. This is powerful. My guy put me on the consumer laws. After that, I've been taking off like crazy.
Yo, you heard it, man. The consumer law game ain't no joke. And my man is going to take this to a whole nother level. Let's go.